and everywhere. A warm, soft vapor fills the air, and distant sounds seem near. Dewy atmosphere, I hear the beat of their pinions fleet, as from the land of snow and sleet they seek a southern lead. I hear the cry of their voices high, falling dreamily through the sky, but their forms I cannot see. This is the cry of souls that high on toiling, beating pinions fly, seeking a warmer clime. From their distant flight